If you are about to submit your I-751 application, and before you do, you want to make sure that you're applying correctly, that you want to make sure that you're eligible to even submit this application, then this video is for you. So generally, you have to file that I-751 application, which is the application to remove the conditions on your permanent residency. Generally, you have to submit that application jointly with the petitioning spouse. That would be the U.S. citizen or the LPR spouse who applied for you. But in these 5 scenarios, you don't have to file jointly. So 1, if you can prove that you were in a good faith marriage and ever since your marriage has been terminated, then you can file on your own. 2, if you can prove that you were in a good faith marriage, but ever since your petitioning spouse has died, then you can file on your own. And 3, if you're in a good faith marriage and you can prove that the spouse that you married in order to receive the conditional permanent residency has been extremely cruel to you and there's been some domestic violence, then you can also file on your own. 3, remember that a child can become a conditional permanent resident through their parent. So if that child can prove that there was initially a good faith marriage and that either their parent who received the conditional permanent residency or through the LPR or the U.S. citizen spouse who petitioned for the parent, if they can prove that they have been extremely cruel to them or they've been battered by one of those parents, then they can also apply on their own. And lastly, if you can prove that there is extreme hardship for you, if your conditional permanent residency is taken away and you're in removal proceedings, then you can also file on your own. Thank you. And feel free to call the Law Office of Medon Gubbermuskell if we can help you with this application. Thanks.